En la obra de Flix realizamos la descontaminación de los vertidos realizados.
We decontaminate the effluents released by the chemical factory for 100 years in the Flix reservoir. It's a special project due to the huge volume of treated material and the variety of types of contamination.
The construction process has taken about 2 years, and actual operation is also anticipated to last about 22 months. First, we have the waterproof area. We've gone all around the border of this area with a sheet pile barrier, a double barrier forming cells that isolate the outside area from the river. All along the bank, we have a second pile wall. In addition to these items, we've also built the treatment plants. 8 kilometres from the plant, we've built a controlled Class 2 depot, which is where all the waste treated during the extraction stage will be shipped to.
Here we're treating aggregates that are contaminated with chemical substances from the historic manufacturing that went on at the chemical factory. Once the sludge has been extracted, it's got to be analysed to see how contaminated it is. If it meets the set criteria, it can be sent straight to the landfill. Otherwise, it has to be treated to get rid of the contaminants before we can ship it off. The lab is a fundamental part of the entire treatment process because it's what ensures the quality of the work being done. It gives us the hard numbers on the materials we have to work with. Once the landfill is full, it'll be capped or sealed. There's a whole series of materials that are placed on top of the waste to make sure it's isolated from the environment, so it can't produce any environmental incidents outside the containment area. The landfill will be tested for stability, wastewater seepage, and so on for the next 30 years.
Generación de aguas residuales, etc.
Calculations show a total of about 960,000 cubic metres of sludge extracted from the area and around 2,800,000 cubic metres of standing water.
What makes this project unique is how tricky the treatment process is. Nobody has ever dared to apply ongoing treatment and sludge extraction before.
I think one of the FCC's strong points is that it's got a team that can handle all the disciplines involved in this project.
A real powerhouse team has been put together here, drawing basically on company techies from both branches, Ámbito and Construcción. It's a tight-knit team and, I think, very active. It's bringing experience and knowledge to the job and doing it well. The outcome will be that the affected stretch of the river will be restored to the way it was over 100 years ago.
At the end of the process, the river will have returned to its natural condition.